Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing a secret app store which will unlock the potential to your Firestick and give you access to a huge library of free applications for streaming, movie applications and utility software. So stick around until the end and I will provide a library code to get you started. Please remember that you cannot perform sideloading on the Amazon Firestick 4K Select as this runs the Vega operating system, which does not allow VPN access or the ability to sideload at this point. So grab your Firestick remote and let's dive in. To complete this setup, we will require the downloader application. So move across to find, drop down to search, hit the select button, and you just have to enter in D for downloader. Once it appears in the list, you can select it. This is the application we're after. Click again and click one more time to start the download. Okay, before we open it, we will need to amend a setting. So if we click the menu button, move all the way across to settings and select My Fire TV. Here we will need to select this menu option, developer options. If you do not see this, highlight about and click, and then click the select button 7 times. And then you will see the option at the bottom. Now you are a developer. Once you have downloader installed, double click on this, enter in the code 234753. Once it's entered, we'll hit go and install, and then done, so that we can delete the installation files as they are no longer required. Okay, so then we go back to the home screen. So before we launch the application, we need to make one change. Settings, My Fire TV, under developer options, install unknown apps, and we just need to make sure unlinked is set to on. Okay, so now that's done, we can launch the application. But before we do, ensure that your VPN is active when in use. And open up our secret app. Now, to activate this app, you'll have to enter in code for the library, which is, then click next and click enter. And this is all the applications that you have access to. There will be other libraries that you can add. These will be a Google search away. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If this has helped you out, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.